How will I be able to know that my AI search campaign, AEO, GEO campaign is actually working to drive traffic to my web? That is an excellent question that if you're not already asking it, you should be asking it, because anytime you invest in any type of marketing campaign, you need to know that you're getting results and you need to be able to prove it. If you can't prove it, you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So luckily, we can see this amongst other ways. I've talked about in another video, AI prompt visibility, to see how you're being cited across various prompts that are relevant to your business. In this video, I'm going to talk about just how to see the net traffic that's coming in by referral from ChatGPT and other LLMs. So essentially, the good news is in Google Analytics, which is what most people use, or if you're not using Google Analytics, you're one of those like 2% that isn't using that. The other platforms are going to do this too. There is something called a referral source it's a session source, and it's going to basically tell you where the referring party was that the user came from. Here's an example on the screen right here. So you can see in this session source list. And this is from one of my actual websites that I'm managing for a client. So you can see ChatGPT is there. This is another screen. You can see Claude. If I keep scrolling down or doing other screens, you're going to see Perplexity. So because you're able to track and see the actual traffic coming from these referring sources, you can also do custom reports with that data as well, and create sort of amalgamated lists of all of the LLMs together, so you can see like everything coming in from AI search. You might have to do a little work in analytics to make that happen, at least for now, until Google sort of modifies analytics to be more AI SEO friendly. But that's what you should see, is over time, you should be seeing that traffic source on your website increase. You should see a line going up in some way from that traffic source, right? From those sessions. Those session sources. That's what you should see if you're having a successful AEO, GEO campaign experience. And that's data that your agency should be reporting to you and highlighting to you in some way, certainly to extol the benefits of what they're doing for you. If you're not seeing that data, you might want to check with them, because maybe it's not going the way it's supposed to go. But you should have ownership and control, by the way, of your own Google Analytics property or whatever analytics platform you're using. So make sure that you have been invited to your analytics property, especially if the agency created it. That's an item, an asset that you should own. You should own all your assets in your business, all your Google properties, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, your Google Ads account. You should be an owner / admin on all of those properties, so that if your agency ever leaves, you still have it, and you don't lose all your, especially with analytics, you don't lose all your valuable analytics data when you change relationships. If you're interested in getting an AI visibility audit for your business, just reach out to using the link in my bio and we'll set one up for you.